Okay, showing on your screen right now is a $10 no deposit bonus, which I claimed, and I'm sure there's a 99.9% assurance that you'll be able to claim also if you follow each and every process I'll be showing in this video. So if you're just seeing my video for the very first time, don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video to others so that they can also benefit with you on how to make money online. So showing right in our view is Salma FX, the broker which will be getting the $10 no deposit from. And the first thing we have to do is to first download their app into our device, and once we're done downloading, we open an account with them. So by clicking open right here, it brings us to this part where we have to fill in our details. You put in your full name, agent ID, which I didn't find important. I didn't put anything there. So you put in your Gmail, your phone number, and for this reward program you can actually choose this gold 100 GR, which is not really compulsory. So click on the accept terms and conditions and register with them. Next, they will show a password and also the Gmail which you use to register, which you'll be using to log in. And right here you've been logged in into the site and see the banner which says get bonus. So once you click on it, immediately you will be sent login details of your MT4 with the $10 inside. And also, as you can see right here, you click on confirm and it takes you to this next place where you see the login details of your MT4. This is mine, and so you just have to follow every single process and step to get yours. So next thing is to slide into your MT4, put in the login details. Right here you put in the name of the server which is showing up here, and the next step is to put in your login details correctly, put in your password and click on sign in. So you can see that's the $10 ready to trade. And for the terms and conditions, I'm sure we can see them clearly on the screen, but I'll just read out the key ones, which is you have to trade 5 lot size and the maximum withdrawal you can make is just 20 USD. And importantly, this bonus is now available for US, Canada, Sudan, Syria and North Korea. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share to others so that they can also benefit with you. Have a nice day, guys.